welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Bohemian box braids. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so I know y'all seen how crisp that camera is. Tell me what, I got me a new phone and the camera is impeccable. But anyways, that's besides the point. As you can see right now, I'm just parting my hair, and yes, my roots look horrible. It's time to die again. I'm doing medium parts because I don't particularly like small parts. I like for you to be able to see my parts like through my braids for some reason. I don't know. I think it's just because of my head size. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking now and let you guys see how I did my first attempt on Bohemian box braids. Now that my hair is fully parted, I'm going to start braiding. I don't know if y'all can see all the dandruff on my shirt. I do have a dandruff problem. My hair is freshly washed, but it's like it's a thirsty hoe. I put oil and all this stuff, and it just soaks it up and still be dry and flaky. I ended up using 2 packs of the pre-stretched hair in the color 30 and 1 pack of the water wave crochet hair. I'm going to show you guys how long it takes me in real time to do 1 braid, and then I'm going to speed the rest of it up. long it took me to do my hair. I am a procrastinator, so I started around like 5 o'clock in the afternoon and didn't finish till midnight. Usually only takes me like 3.5 hours to do my hair, but I kept taking breaks and doing extra stuff. And I am done, period. This is the finished look. I like my parts. I don't sew as much like my braids. I feel like I should have added more of the water wave hair, but this was my first time trying to do the Bohemian box braids, so I just didn't want to add too much and ended up adding too little. Now I'm just about to get ready to do my edges. I should have left more hair out. I don't like dramatic baby hairs with my box braids, but these are given very much I'm struggling baby hairs, and that's not it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into my next video.